Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, September 20th, 2001, 8 a.m. Keep confidence in us. In everything, confidence is of importance. It creates positive waves. No matter what happens to you in this incarnation, the main thing is preserved and outlives this earthly journey. It is comforting to know that efforts are not useless, that they are recorded and contribute to your rise in sustainable way. You are not advancing in darkness and uncertainty. You who chose our spiritual way to meet your aspiration to transform yourself and make a success of your life. You are guided from within the depths of your heart. A holy alchemy elevates you toward spheres unknown to you. They are redeeming and they meet your needs. Your heart aspires to be united with the divine. This attraction is irreversible. You are engaged on a luminous path and your earthly life urges you to go further. This hidden treasure gives a meaning to your life. It provides you with pure joys which belong only to you. Never lose heart. Keep faith in yourself, in your masters who know you and who help you in most favorable way and the one most appropriate to your aspirations. We will conclude with the same words. Keep confidence no matter what happens to you. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 a.m. We have already come a long way together, my dear child. Do not give up, we beg you. Do not feel worried by events that may not occur. In the previous message, we have sufficiently elaborated on confidence and faith. Grace helps endure difficult steps. It is granted to valiant hearts. Think of your master who is also struggling to resist against all odds. Each one must face ordeals when they manifest themselves. There is no other alternative, since they mark out this earthly path and cannot be bypassed. In surrender lies the remedy. It is effective in its own way. It denotes a great inner force which we believe you are capable of. You all who are on your way. Try to keep joy in your heart. Be united with your brothers on the earth through highly elevated and comforting thoughts. Consider that some of them are in desperate plights, without any way out whatsoever, left to themselves and in despair. Make sure you overcome your own worries. Have a global vision of humanity as much as you can. This prospect will reassure you about yourself. Babuji Maharaj.